Did you know that nearly 500,000 vehicles in the US each year trigger a check engine light due to one simple issue, a loose or faulty gas cap? That's right, something as small as your fuel cap can silently hurt your fuel economy and even cause your car to fail emissions testing. In this video, we're uncovering a hidden fix that most drivers overlook: your gas cap. By doing just a few simple things, you can save on gas and even clear that annoying warning light. Stick around, because the last one is a trick even mechanics never want you to know. But it could save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. 1. Inspect the gas cap, seal for damage. Begin by removing the gas cap and carefully examining the rubber seal or O-ring around its edge. This seal is responsible for maintaining an airtight connection between the cap and the fuel tank. Look for any signs of cracking, hardening, warping, or fraying. These can prevent a proper seal, allowing fuel vapors to escape and air to enter. Dirt, debris, or fuel residue can also compromise the seal's effectiveness, even if there's no visible damage. If the seal is dirty but still intact, gently clean it with a soft cloth and apply a silicone lubricant like WD-40 to help restore flexibility and improve sealing. I have attached a link in the description to the exact product. However, if the gasket is cracked, flattened, hardened, or missing chunks, it can cause vacuum leaks, allow fuel vapors to escape, and trigger diagnostic trouble codes such as P0455 or P0457. In that case, remove the cap and replace it without delay. Quality replacements cost under $20 and can improve overall vehicle performance. 2. Clean the gas cap and filler neck. Dirt, grime, and debris on the gas cap or filler neck can prevent a proper seal, leading to fuel evaporation, contamination, and false EVAP system warnings. Over time, this can even allow moisture into your fuel tank, causing corrosion and clogged fuel filters. To prevent this, clean the gas cap and the filler neck regularly using a clean cloth and rubbing alcohol. This removes grime and buildup that can interfere with the seal. A properly sealing gas cap helps preserve fuel quality, prevents vapor leaks, and ensures your engine starts and runs smoothly even after long periods of inactivity. 3. Replace a worn or damaged gas cap. If you notice the rubber seal is cracked, hardened, or the threads on the cap are worn, it's time for a replacement. A worn-out gas cap won't hold pressure properly, leading to vacuum leaks in the EVAP, Evaporative Emission Control System. This not only reduces engine efficiency, but can also cause rough idling or even stalling. Most gas caps cost under $20 and are easy to install. Look for a cap that's compatible with your vehicle's make and model, preferably OEM, or a high-quality aftermarket option. Replacing a bad cap can instantly clear that check engine light and help restore your engine's factory performance. 4. Tighten the cap properly every time. Tightening your gas cap properly might sound basic, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining your vehicle's fuel system and engine performance. Modern vehicles have sensitive EVAP systems that detect even slight pressure changes, and a loosely fastened cap is a common trigger for the check engine or check fuel cap warning. After fueling, always turn the gas cap until you hear 3 clear clicks. These clicks confirm a proper seal, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping and outside air from entering the tank. A loose cap can disrupt fuel vapor pressure, causing your engine control module to adjust engine performance, often leading to rough idling, poor fuel economy, or emission issues. Even in capless systems, it's important to insert the fuel nozzle completely and avoid removing it too quickly. Taking a few extra seconds to ensure a tight seal can prevent unnecessary warning lights and help your engine run more efficiently. 5. Check for fuel smells or vapor leaks around the cap. If you catch a whiff of gasoline near the gas cap, even when the vehicle is off, that's a red flag. It usually indicates that fuel vapors are escaping, which can degrade engine performance and even pose a fire hazard under certain conditions. This is often caused by a damaged seal or cap that doesn't fit snugly. To check, Gently pressurize the cap with your hand and listen for hissing or feel for air escaping. If you find any signs of leaks, replace the cap immediately. Eliminating vapor leaks not only protects your fuel system, but also helps your engine maintain optimal combustion conditions. Before we go into other tips that will instantly save you hundreds, why don't you hit the like button and subscribe? Trust me, this is a sure way to stay off car troubles. 6. Check for ventilation issues older cars. Older vehicles, pre-1996, often use vented gas caps to regulate tank pressure. If yours is clogged or replaced with a non-vented cap, it can cause fuel starvation, vapor lock, or even a collapsed fuel tank. If your car is older, ensure you're using the correct vented or non-vented cap. Check your car manual to be sure of this. If the cap is vented but clogged, clean it with compressed air or replace it. Never use a vented cap on a modern EVAP-equipped car. It'll cause emissions problems. 7. Reset your car's EVAP system. After fixes, even after fixing the gas cap, your car's computer might still store an EVAP system error code, keeping the check engine light on. Resetting it ensures your fixes are recognized. Here is a detailed step-by-step process to reset the check engine light. Step 1. Tighten the fuel cap. Ensure the gas cap is aligned correctly and turn it clockwise until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. This sound confirms the cap is sealed tightly, which is essential for maintaining proper fuel system pressure. Step 2. Turn off the engine. Switch off the vehicle completely. This step allows the car's onboard computer to reset its monitoring system and prepare to detect any changes made, like a resealed gas cap. Step 3. Restart the car, start the engine, and let it run. Restarting the vehicle prompts the ECU to begin rechecking the fuel vapor system and recognize that the cap has been secured. Step 4. Check the warning light. Don't expect instant results. The warning light may take a few ignition cycles or several short trips to disappear. The system conducts self-checks during regular driving intervals. If the cap was the issue and everything is properly sealed, the light should after a few miles. If it persists, it may signal a deeper EVAP problem. Time to consult a mechanic. Can you drive without a fuel filler cap? It's strongly recommended that you avoid driving if your car is missing its fuel filler cap. Not only because fuel can quickly evaporate, but also because spills onto the road pose serious hazards. Beyond the obvious fire risk from spilled petrol, it can create dangerously slick surfaces for other road users, especially motorcyclists and cyclists, increasing the chance of accidents, much like driving on ice. What to do if you lose your filler cap? If you've lost your fuel filler cap and need to drive before getting a replacement, the first option is to buy a universal filler cap from a nearby petrol station, garage, or supermarket. These are designed to fit a range of vehicles and offer a decent temporary seal. Just ensure it fits securely to prevent debris from entering the tank or triggering a warning light. How much is a new fuel filler cap? Most fuel filler caps are inexpensive, between $20 to $40. If, however, your fuel cap has a lock built into it, you may find it can cost upwards of $100 to get one that will work with your car key. In the event you lose your locking fuel filler cap, an alternative is to buy a universal locking cap, or one from a different car with the key supplied. There you have it. 7 easy ways your gas cap can make your engine run smoother, stronger, and more efficiently. If this saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit the like button, drop a comment if you've ever had a gas cap issue, and subscribe for more simple car fixes that save you money.